If you're looking for men's belt buckles, here's a collection you've got to see. UK New and Popular 2017. Top 10 Men's Belt Buckles. Number 1, Most Popular, by Huabola CALYN. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by ukshopsite. Number 3, by Qishi Yuhua PD. For more details about this great men's belt buckles, just click this circle. Number 4, by OULII. Number 5, by Adidas. Find these men's belt buckles at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by SPORRAN Buckles Volkswagen. Number 7, by Senmi. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Qishi. Number 9, by KILT Fashion. Discover more men's belt buckles ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Qishi Yuhua PD.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.